Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to hide elements on mobile Webflow. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, head over to the Webflow website and log into your account. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your Webflow dashboard where all your projects are listed. Find the site you want to edit and click on it to open your site's editor. Now that you're in the editor, it's time to switch views to see how your site looks on mobile devices. At the top right of your screen, you'll notice a mobile icon. Click on it to switch the editor's view to mobile. This allows you to preview how your website will appear on smaller screens and ensures that any changes you make affect only the mobile layout. With the mobile view active, you can now hide any element you want. Simply click on the element you wish to hide. After selecting it, move to the right-hand styling panel where you'll see various design options. Look for the Display Setting property, open its drop-down menu, and select None. This action tells Webflow not to display the selected element when the site is viewed on a mobile device. It's that simple, like magic for web design. And that's it. So that is how you can hide elements on mobile Webflow. So that's all for this video. Thanks.